Today we have a starter clutch on a Husqvarna 250 2020 model. This bike's got all the extras, whole set device for your launch control. It's got your map switch, 1, 2, traction off. But if we hit the button, it's just squealing. So today we're going to get it stripped down, get a new starter clutch in it, give the engine a service, and hopefully it fires up. Stick around. Alright, now oil's removed, time to remove the seat cover, side plastic, tank, and we're going to take that side cover off. So, to get access under the seats on these Husqvarnas, KTMs, best way to do it, get your finger behind the frame, pop the plastic off, and just like that, she's off. Alright, now side case is off, time to take the seat off, just one 8mm bolt holding it in. Battery's already off because it's had to be charged. Time to remove the fuel. There's a little button on the pipe, press that in, pull the hose off. Remember to remove your tank bolts from inside. Right,